Imagine a world where applications learn from user behavior, adapt to individual needs, and make decisions. Welcome to the era of AI-powered apps. In this brave new world, artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the app development industry. It's a world where applications are not just tools, they're learning, adapting, and evolving entities that interact with users in ways that were once thought to be the stuff of science fiction. AI's impact on app development has been profound and multifaceted. It has made apps more personalized, more efficient, and more intelligent. AI has given apps the ability to learn from user behavior and adapt accordingly. This has resulted in a more personalized user experience, with apps now capable of understanding individual user needs and preferences and tailoring their services accordingly. AI has also made apps more efficient. Machine learning algorithms can process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, reducing the time and resources required for data analysis. This has made it possible for apps to offer real-time services, such as live traffic updates or instant customer service responses. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of AI in app development is its potential to make apps more intelligent. AI can enable apps to make decisions, solve problems, and even predict future trends. These capabilities have the potential to revolutionize industries. For instance, in healthcare, AI-powered apps can analyze patient data to predict health risks and suggest preventive measures. In finance, they can analyze market trends to make investment recommendations. Let's take the example of Spotify, the popular music streaming platform. It uses AI to analyze user listening habits and suggest songs and playlists that match their tastes. Or consider Netflix, which uses AI to recommend movies and shows based on users' viewing history. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming the app development landscape. As you can see, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer for app development. AI is enabling app developers to create more personalized, efficient, and intelligent applications that can learn, adapt, and evolve. And this is just the beginning. The potential of AI in app development is vast and largely untapped. The AI revolution in app development has only just begun. Intrigued by the power of AI? It's time to learn how to develop an AI-powered app. Let me break this down into easy-to-follow steps for you. Firstly, you need to identify the problem that your AI app will solve. This is crucial because the purpose of an AI app is to simplify a complex task or solve a specific problem. Maybe you're looking to develop an app that can help users learn a new language, or perhaps an app that can predict weather patterns. Whatever it is, make sure your problem is clear and well-defined. After you've identified your problem, it's time to move to the second step, which is data collection. Data is the fuel that powers AI. Your AI model will need a lot of relevant, high-quality data to learn from. This could be anything from text and images to audio and video files, depending on what your app is designed to do. Remember, the more data you have, the better your AI model can learn and the more accurate it will be. Next, you must choose the appropriate AI model for your app. The choice of model will depend on the nature of your problem and the kind of data you have. For instance, you might use a convolutional neural network for image recognition tasks or a recurrent neural network for natural language processing tasks. It's essential to understand the strengths and weaknesses of different AI models so you can pick the one that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen your AI model, the fourth step is to train it. This involves feeding your data into the model and allowing it to learn over time. The model will make predictions based on the data it's been given, and then adjust its internal parameters based on how accurate those predictions are. This process is repeated many times until the model becomes good at making accurate predictions. After your model is trained, you'll need to integrate it into your app. This is where you'll write the code that allows your app to use the AI model's capabilities. Depending on your app's requirements, you might need to use APIs, libraries, or other tools to do this. Finally, after all the hard work, you'll have to test and refine your app. This involves running your app in different scenarios and making sure it performs as expected. If there are any issues or bugs, you'll need to fix them and then test again. This process of testing and refining is ongoing and should continue even after your app is launched. Remember, developing an AI app is not a one-time process. It involves continuous learning and refining. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead of the curve, you must be willing to learn and adapt. So don't be disheartened if your first AI app isn't perfect. Keep trying, keep learning, and most importantly, keep refining. AI in app development is just the beginning. The future holds even more exciting possibilities. Imagine a world where voice assistants are not just a luxury, but a necessity, integrated seamlessly into our daily lives. They'll be able to understand context, tone, and even emotions, making interactions more human-like. In addition, predictive analytics will take center stage. Apps will not only react to our actions, but will anticipate them, offering personalized experiences like never before. Imagine your fitness app suggesting workouts based on your daily routine, or your shopping app predicting your needs before you even realize them. AI-powered chatbots will also become more prevalent, providing round-the-clock support and enhancing customer satisfaction. However, this future is not without challenges. Ethical considerations, such as data privacy and bias in AI algorithms, will need to be addressed diligently. As we move forward, AI will continue to shape the landscape of app development in ways we can't even imagine yet. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key points discussed today. We've seen how the revolution of artificial intelligence has significantly impacted app development, taking it to new heights. It's streamlined processes, enhanced user experience, and made apps smarter and more intuitive. We've also delved into the step-by-step process of developing an AI app. From concept to coding, we've uncovered how you can leverage artificial intelligence to create an app that stands out in today's competitive market. And finally, we've looked to the future. We've explored the trends shaping the world of AI in app development and the challenges that lie ahead. From the rise of machine learning to issues around data privacy, the future of AI in app development is both exciting and complex. Remember, the future of app development is in your hands. Embrace AI and let it take your apps to the next level.